Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Bitcoin daily update. We are going to see the next price targets, and of course before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Links in the description box and in the comment section. You can either join Patreon/Mind Your Crypto, buy me a coffee, or BillMindsYourCrypto.com. You will get a scalping trading strategy, new addition, personal guidance every day, 200 altcoins to buy and sell and to know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell. It got updated, personal guidance as we talked about, market updates, random giveaways, live trading, Pine scripts for trading, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's proceed quickly into the technical analysis and price prediction of Bitcoin. Right now, these lines right here, the red line and the blue line, actually the blue area and the red area right here, is the regression trend line. That means whenever we are going into the red zone, we usually have a buying opportunity going back into the blue zone, and vice versa. Whenever we go into the blue zone and especially reaching the top line, we have a sell pressure and we go down to the red zone. Okay. We have the Pearson's R of 0.9322. It is a very strong correlation right there. And now it is very possible, and soon enough actually, it's very possible to be reaching above the actually 38.2K, maybe going into the blue zone and reach these levels right here. In order to go higher and surpass now, to go bullish again, we need to break according to the regression trend. If we were to go, for example, today there, we should be breaking the 43.7K. Tomorrow we should be breaking the 43.4 and so on. It goes steadily down and down each day after day. For example, on 1st February, we should be breaking the 41.6K. All right, so therefore, if we break this line right here, we have more chances into going higher and higher. Okay, this regression trend line is going down once because it includes the time, and it provides some very important resistance levels that include the time for Bitcoin. You are seeing here a little bit of a bullish price action for Bitcoin due to the fact that we had an oversold situation in the daily frame, extreme oversold. On the 4-hour frame, the same right here. You can see that the RSI was below the 70 for so long, below the 30, sorry, but that doesn't mean that we are going all the way higher. We have to see how it will react to the stochastic RSI, that it will go first into an overbought situation. Stochastic RSI indicator is more sensitive to the price action. That's why it is going first into an overbought. At the same time, we will have to see how the price will react, will correspond towards this high resistance, actually high risk that we will be having due to the stochastic RSI, and therefore we want to see how the price will react. If we do not see a further pump up and a quick pump up upwards, then do not expect to go higher. Instead, we might be going down to the 33.6K, and I will explain why we have the 33.6K. Let's go back on the daily frame. Okay, we are on the logarithmic scale. So if you just right click on the price section right here on trading view, then you can see on the price scale, you will see the regular and the logarithmic. We are first on the logarithmic scale because I find it more useful sometimes, and the technical analysis appears to be better on the logarithmic scale and the price analysis. Right now, if I just delete this one, I made yesterday a video about how to draw properly a gann fan, and I also have an educational video on my channel about gann fan. Check it out. It provides some important support and resistance levels. However, right now you can see that I squared the chart in order to draw the gann fan. I squared the chart from this bottom back on 21st July to the top back on 10 November. Okay, and you can see that after I wanted to find some support levels. We had the 1-1 line, then we had the 2-1. You can see here we found support level on the support buying pressure on the 2-1. From the time we went beyond, we found support pressure, buying pressure on the 3-1, and then we fell all the way down almost to the 8-1. Now the 8-1 provides support levels, and we have today a support level of the 33.5K, tomorrow of the 33.7, and so on. If we do not correspond well, then we might be having more sell pressure, then we might be getting further down into this area right here. I truly believe that once we go down to this area, we might be having a nice buying pressure, or if you want more short-term targets in order to break and to tell you what do we need to do right now, now is that we should be drawing the trend, the Fibonacci retracement from the top to the bottom. And now if we found rejection on the 36,200 and then we find rejection and go down, then that means that Bitcoin doesn't have the strength needed to go even higher yet. We will be getting another correction probably. If we go above the 36,300, then we can go to the 37,600 and so on. Maybe we have the strength yet to move a little bit upwards to have a swing high of relief and help some altcoins progress upwards as well. At the time being though, we have first the 36.2 and then the 37.6k for Bitcoin, and this is one of the most important resistance level right here back for Bitcoin. Okay, so eventually, and of course we have one more, the 36.8k, which is in between those lines. However though, these are the most important ones right there. So in case we can go and surpass the 36.2k, then we will be going even higher on the short term, but that doesn't mean that we are going even higher on the midterm as well. I mean that, sorry, on the next 2 days, because we need to break some important resistance levels. And you can see this whole sell pressure, this very bearish market that started on 2020 January right here. You can see that we went down all the way minus 21% in just a few hours. Okay, this was a very huge correction right there for Bitcoin that you do not see quite often. You see it, we have seen that again. We have seen in just one day going down minus 39 to 40%. You remember the Evergrande on 12 March 2020, but at the same time though, it is not a nice price action that you want to see. And of course beginners, especially beginners, are panicking a lot and they are selling in these situations right there when you should be holding. Okay, so 36.2, 36.3, 37.6, 37.7, and so on. 38.7 as well, the next target, and 39.8 as well could be the next targets for Bitcoin. But we have to confirm that we are having a great run to the upwards. If we struggle below the 36.3k, then I believe that the next correction will probably be coming and we can go even lower. Okay, on the time being, it doesn't perform so good. We have in the 1 hour frame an overbought situation on the commodity channel index, unfortunately. Same with the stochastic RSI. You can see that we cannot proceed to go even higher. We struggle so much into getting at least one swing high, one significant swing high, and I have my price support levels for Bitcoin on the 33.6k, around there, that we saw with the gann fann. Okay, with the gann fann tool, we saw some nice things right there. I can go and undo some things so you can check it out again. We are on the logarithmic scale. If I had to go on the daily frame, because I squared the chart on the daily frame, it matters. Okay, in the regular, then we are already in the bottom line of the support level of the gann fann. On the regular, we are already there. Okay, but on the logarithmic, we have a little bit more room to correct. Let's see who will win. Okay, because on the regular scale, you can see that we have the 8-1 at our target right here. We are at the bottom line of the support level, squaring the chart from this bottom to the top back on 10 November. Okay, and we are at the bottom right now. We won't see, we will find buying pressure. The truth is though that we have an extreme oversold with the daily frame. You cannot see this keep going on forever. Okay, sometime in the next days we will make a pump up, a huge pump up that we can grow potentially even above the 44.5k. It will be easy to break the 44.5k. However, right now we have to take it step by step, as we talked about with the line break on the weekly frame yesterday. Actually, in the previous time we had 4 bearish candlesticks and after pump. Here as well on September 2019, 4 bearish candlesticks and after pump. On 12 November 2018, 4 bearish candlesticks and after a pump. And now we hope that we have 4 bearish candlesticks and after a pump. I really hope that it will continue. Let's see how we will progress through, and let's see what we are going to do. In the time being though, if you go to the logarithmic, we have a little bit more room to correct. Let's see who wins, the regular or the logarithmic scale right here. I really hope that we found the bottom right here and we will be getting even higher. Okay, so I really hope that we can do something like that. Let's see what will happen, and of course if we get something looking like a little bit of a bullish scenario right here. We might be having bullish engulfing candlestick pattern or something like that, then this will be good. However, till then we are just sitting back and wait till the price stabilizes a little bit, and then we can proceed into a normal trading life. Thank you. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Links in the description box and in the comment section. Get all the benefits right now. Do not miss this chance because we are going to get higher. Do not miss the chance to grow your portfolio. Thank you. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.